Hey guys, today I've got a Kenmore frost-free commercial 18 cubic foot stand-up freezer or upright freezer. I want to show you real quick in my video that everything works perfect on it. See, it's in excellent condition here. So with my little temperature gun right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. So you can see, depending on what I shine it on, it gives you the degrees there in Fahrenheit. So we'll go ahead and open this up. It's nice and cold in here. I'll take a couple pictures. You see, as we shine it around here, the temp changes, but it's about -7, -6, -7 in there right now. So, and as you can see on the inside, the light works and everything looks great. That's pretty much it. Not really a whole lot to show off on these guys, but you know, when I spend my money, I want to make sure when I get it home, plug it in, everything's going to work good. And so I do these videos so that you know that. That's how I like to spend my money. So that's how I like to sell my items. I'll go ahead and get this listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks. Have a great day.